Hasteni Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni Shakthar Mumbai Tangshala Agartala Press Club o Klaijaka CAN ote ye kaisa seminar banda Manjakha JSCCS ni haste convener Jiban Deborma John Deborma te Bishu Deborma akosong Kokthum panda o koklam narakha JSCCS ni haste convener Jiban Deborma
Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni kaisa seminar chongani thangli tongo Latin now seminar in the agenda Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024, the notification Kajaka 11 March 2024. Or Abuniti, no, continue joint action of civil society in the Bibin Constitution body. There was a lot in different indigenous lawyer association, different advisor, plus the engineer society. The United Tibrasa Forum, the Student Federation, and the Sporting Society, the Bibino Dal Vidal organization in Borok, in the Mandalay Haka, Santinoza, Tabonotino program, Santabuno, Sanon Tamico, Shortings and Sananites, and Dinosaur Nights in our Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024. 2016 with the OPL Kaiman for 2019 or bill passing car acting car since after so many years 2024 by the rules notification Kasika 11 March 2024 which in basically main seminar discussions analyst speaker from the organization every organization is a social different seminar
Sir, privacy organization but not a donation committee.
Also, within organization, already Sagas in the Brazilian Federation, the Engineers Society, the Engineers Lawyer Association, the Foundation Sporting Society, United People's Forum, the Organization Council of Minnesota,
Razakhora Aguli Nishimi Omiti Kokthum Chini Khorang.